Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cough syrup with all the easily available ingredients at your house or in your kitchen. This cough syrup is very good for both children and elders. This has no side effects at all, but this is not a substitute for your cough treatment if you are undergoing anything. Please try this cough syrup once you feel that you are getting cough. Then this will be more effective. Otherwise, you must consult your doctor if you have severe cough. This is good for children and both for elders. Do this. If you want to know how to do this, please keep on watching. Cough syrup. I am taking half onion. I am going to scrape this onion to extract juice. I need at least 2 tablespoons of onion juice. Scrape the onion fully. You can also crush it, cut it into small pieces and crush it if you have a crusher. So I have scraped off a onion in this. I am going to take out the juice in a bowl. Take a strainer and put everything inside it and slightly press it so that you can take out all the juices of the onion. Make sure you get at least 2 tablespoons of onion. If you need more onion to scrape, you can do that. This is always for one-time use. Always do it fresh and the effect will be more. So I've got the juice of onion. For this, 1 tablespoon of honey I'm using. I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of honey for this. Mix it thoroughly. So this cough syrup is ready for children with mild and dry cough. If they have more wet cough, like if they have phlegm and mucus, you can add tulsi. You can crush tulsi and take out the juice of it and mix it with this, and then give this syrup to the children. This syrup should be given twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, that is in the night. Make sure that you give every time fresh one, do it fresh and then give the syrup to the children. Suppose if you are using it for elders, you can add half a teaspoon of crushed peppercorns. You can see this fresh peppercorns, crush it every time and you can mix it with this syrup, same syrup. Take half a teaspoon and mix it. This is for heavy cough if you have a phlegm and all. And then you can also add dry ginger powder. If you don't have ginger powder, then add fresh ginger juice also. So this becomes a perfect cough syrup for elders with very heavy cough and full of mucus. Do this treatment for 1 week and you will see the result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Share, comment, and if you want any such more tips, comment in the comment.